Now let's discuss about the circles. Actually, there are two types of circle and perimeter circle. Now let's discuss both of them one by one. Click on the circle and draw the circle where you want to draw it in the front plane. And you will see a panel that appears on the left side of the screen. The panel is divided into many categories like circle type, existing relation, add relations, options, and perimeters. Circle type is nothing but the types of a circle that I mentioned before. Existing relations showing the relations the circle have, and add relations if we want to add relations to the circle. And in the option category, click on the for construction. You will see the circle is used for the construction purposes. And after that, in the parameters, we have x coordinate of the center point of the circle and y coordinate of the center point of the circle and the radius of the circle. With the help of these three things, we can define the circle very well. And now we have second category of the circle, that is perimeter circle, which is same as that of the circle. The only difference is that in order to define the perimeter circle, we have to select the 3 points that comes on the circumference of the circle. Rest things will be same.